What's good, guys? Welcome back to a day in the life of a full-time trader. It's currently 8 a.m. I'm about to go live on YouTube right now, so I'm going to get that done. But essentially, this is going to be my day in the life as a full-time trader. So we've got an interesting day today. I'm going to be showing you exactly what we do. We'll probably trade for a few hours on stream, see if we can make some money. If we don't get a trade, that's fine. But yeah, then after that, we'll be going to the gym. Then we're going to go meet some boys for some food, and maybe we're going to be playing some golf tonight. Or yeah, we'll see what happens with that. But that's potentially going to happen. So I'll take you guys along with me on that one. And yeah, I'll catch you after stream. What's good, chat? So we just finished stream. We actually took a loss today, so not many streamers will tell you when they take losses or whatever, but obviously we take every trade live. So yeah, we actually took a 67 pip loss, but it is what it is, right? That's part of the game. We move. Definitely not an issue at all, and everyone in chat was, fine with it. But yeah, I would take the exact same trade again, so it's just the market doing what it is, We like to say you pay a little bit of rent to the market. We're done for the day now in the trading. What we're going to do now is we're going to go hit bench with the boys, get some training in, get a pump, and then come back, edit some videos. But I'm going to go to the gym now. Probably get a snack on the way just because I need something in my stomach. I'll catch you guys when I'm at the gym. I'm going to film the workout. See you there. Also, chat, it's an absolutely beautiful day out right now. The sun is shining, all that stuff. I'm going to make a pre-workout meal real quick. I actually just went to the shop and found these new Crave cereal things, but essentially it's not the healthiest food. Obviously, I'm on a bulk right now, so it's okay for me, but I need some carbs before the workouts. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and, load up some carbs right now because I'm going to try and hit a bench PB today. So I'm going to load up 150 kilograms on the bar when we get there. Obviously, I'll warm up and shit first, but that's what I'm going to do. So I need some carbs. What we'll do is I'm going to make a protein shake. It's going to be the milk. And then, yeah, we're going to put 60 grams of cereal. And the rest of it's going to be a protein shake. So it shouldn't be too... it's not bad, right? It's about 230 calories of cereal, 200, maybe 300 calories of cereal. The rest of it's going to come from protein. So it's a pretty good pre-workout meal, actually. I can't lie. You can pretty much eat what you want in terms of types of food. Obviously, keeping it clean is better. This cereal still is made with whole wheat, so it's not there's a ridiculous amount of additives or whatever. But yeah, obviously it's not the best. But for me right now, it's going to fuel the workout. Like anything in life, right? It's all about balance. Everything is about balance. So if you're working super hard on one thing, you can allow yourself certain things. And with this, my diet is clean 90% of the time. And before a workout, I'm going to let myself have some carbs. I'm well excited to try these, I can't lie. I think it's going to be really good. This weekend, I don't really have that much to do. Well, I do, I have lots to do, but a lot of the stuff that I need to get done is already done, and I'm outsourcing a lot of the video editing and all that stuff. So I think I'll be taking a trip to Italy. I haven't booked anything yet, but probably today I'll book a flight to Italy for either Thursday or Friday. I'm going to vlog that for you guys too, but that brings me to my next point. What do you guys want to see in terms of content? The day in the life style videos are pretty cool. They give you an insight into my actual day-to-day life. Realistically, my day consists of working, going to the gym, maybe seeing some boys, but mostly working and going to the gym. So I don't want these videos to get repetitive for you guys. Obviously, if I do something cool on the weekend with my boys, or we play golf or whatever it is, then I'll record that. Like this trip as well. Yeah, tell me what you guys want to see. Maybe we can do some cool stuff. If you want to see certain aspects of my life, if you want to see what I'm actually doing, then yeah, I'll show you guys that. Your guys' support has been ridiculous, by the way. This just shows to me, that once you put your mind to stuff, you can literally achieve anything. Because I started recording YouTube videos and streaming live on YouTube about 3 months ago, and we're sat at around 2k subs right now with 250 of you guys pulling up to the stream every single day. Now that is just unreal, guys. Realistically, if you want to take that plunge and start creating content, or people come to me and they go, I want to make trading content, I want to make lifestyle content, I want to make gym content, whatever it is, and then there's always a but I'm scared to do this, but I'm scared to do that, but whatever, what if it doesn't work out? Honestly, just do it. I started posting content, and for a good couple of months I was really gassed if I got 100 views, or if I got 1,000 views on a video. That was wow. And now we're getting videos with 1 million views, 120,000 likes on some of our Instagram videos. It's crazy. We're popping it off right now. And literally all that comes down to is consistency. Keep pushing, post every single day, reply to every comment, all of that stuff. No one else really, will put that effort in the same as you if you do that. So just put the work in, be consistent. If it doesn't work for a while, keep pushing. The period where you get to where you start to think, this is not going to work, maybe I should stop, or maybe I'm not cut out for this, maybe I shouldn't be doing this, or whatever. That's when you need to keep going, because just after that point is when stuff starts to pick up. So yeah, that's what I'd say. If you guys want to start making content, I'm here for it. I'll help you guys out. I'll support your stuff too. Just take the plunge, guys. I'm going to eat this now, but yeah, take that plunge and I'll catch you in a bit. Yo, I can't lie, guys. This is the maddest cereal I've ever had. That is crazy. It tastes so good. Literally, I put some like vanilla protein in it. I don't know, it's strawberry actually. That's kind of weird, but this shit slaps. I can't lie. It's really, really good. I know you're all dying to know what's the gym fit for today. Well, it's a good point. What do we have? Classic black joggers. Need a little vest. Chat. We might be out of the little vesties. What are we gonna do? T-shirt. It's a bit gay though. I think it does make us look jacked, but it's gonna be the fit for today. Gym fit is key, guys. You gotta look good in the gym and feel good. You know what they say, look good, feel good, perform good. That's how it works, mate. I'm gonna drive now. What a beautiful day, look at this. Sunny outside, music's blasting. What can you complain about, man? I have no responsibilities right now. I just need to go to the gym, enjoy the day, do some work for myself. Can't hate that. You cannot hate that. Especially working for yourself, man. I'm in charge of my own destiny right now. Absolutely in charge of my own destiny. I'm gonna go out, enjoy this absolutely beautiful sunny day, hit the gym, get some nice food with the boys, and what else can you hate about that? What else can you hate? Come on. Hi guys. This episode we are going to be talking about how to bench less than all your friends. First of all, find 2 people that are just ridiculously big.
The hood's still dangerous, goodness gracious, move like the Gracie brothers. It's fuck your pay me something.
You gonna sell?
I'll wait for 4 hours loose.
Wow. Oh my days, this shit ripped down. What the fuck?
That shit fell.
Chat.
If only I had
Why didn't we sell the 4-hour?
maybe I had a sell stuff.
To be fair, there was absolutely no entry, no top wicks in the dunya.
Stick to your method.
So watch this guy rep 140 like it's nothing. 140 kilogram rep like it's fucking jizz all on the plate. What?
3, 2, easy.
So I just struggled to hit this, and this guy just decides to rep it out for like 6. Thank you. 150.
Yeah, let's go then.
No. Yeah, what?
What happened there? Suddenly got to count 2.
Thank fuck I got on quickly. Wow.
Break spot. What happened there?
Jan's just tried to kill me.
You want my attention bad, but I ain't the guy that I was before. I heard them stories about you, there's no way I'm hitting it raw. You don't wanna get misled, you wanna feel secure. Can't even lie, you're cool when you wanted to fuck, though I weren't too sure. I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put them out in lit. Call you and say where you at, I already know what time it is. I don't wanna be in the mix, I'd rather grind and stay on the low. Half these man got a lot to post, but ain't got nothing to show. Them gal doing the most, but you ain't gotta do too much. Nah. When I'm on the block, I be feeling loved. So many people around me, but I went through shit alone. Who do you call when I don't pick up the phone? When I'm away, who's gonna take you home? She said men ain't shit, but I get paper though. I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call call you and say where you at.
Okay, that's crazy.
Pause at the top. Stretch up the bottom, it's chilling.
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s, Rolexes got more than one. My AP costs 30.
Fucking hell, I'm shattered. Big workout, chat.
What's good, chat? So we're back in the office right now. We came back from the gym and then I had to get straight on a call. I had a call with a company that we might be working with. So yeah, we're going to see about that one. In terms of the gym, we didn't hit the 150 PB that we wanted. We'll get it next time. We hit 140, still got a bit of a shoulder injury. So I'm going to be editing some videos right now to pump out for you guys. I've got a lot of content on the way. Obviously the free course that we're doing is continuously being uploaded on YouTube. So you don't want to miss out on that one. I'm going to edit that next video right now. That should be posted by the time you guys are seeing this video. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you go and check out that free course. It's in the playlist on the YouTube. Yeah, it's going crazy. A lot of people are saying it's the most valuable course they've seen for free on YouTube. You know, people are getting a lot of help out of it, which I'm really happy to see, to be honest. I'm really, really glad to see that. So that's what we're going to do. And then after that, we have the group call that we have every day at 8 PM in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join that. But yeah, we have a group call every day at 8 PM where I explain my trades, you guys explain your trades to me, and we ask any questions that, you know, it's basically a Q&A with me. Yeah, make sure you hop in the Discord. It's super, super valuable. Other than that, probably I'll get some food later. To be honest, guys, at the moment I'm locked in, but I did actually book that ticket to Italy. So on Thursday this week, we're going to be flying out from Heathrow, going to be going to Florence in Italy again. So I'll vlog that trip for you, but it should be good, man. We've got a nice little business class flight. I'll record that for you all. And yeah, the trip should be decent. I'm only going to be there from Thursday to Sunday. I just needed to pop out there to do something real quick. Going to go there, probably go out for dinner there, do some nice stuff in Italy. The weather's going to be super nice, which I'm looking forward to. So I'll vlog that for you guys in the next episode. And yeah, other than that, guys, I'll catch you either in this call or later tonight, and I'll update you with what I'm doing, what I'm eating, whatever it is. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next clip. What's good, chat? So I also remembered that I forgot to show you guys my setup. So here it is. Essentially, this is what we've got set up in the office right now. I got the PC under there, all the cables managed and everything. In the backdrop, obviously, because we stream here, got some little decorations, all that sort of stuff. If you come over here, got some photos, some boxes, just some of my watches. And then around here, obviously you've got the PC, the monitors, sorry. I'm going to be sat here when we're streaming. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the setup, and yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. Obviously, we're going to make some additions to it over time, but, you know, I like how it's working right now. It's a little cozy office space for me. Obviously, it looks way more professional in the streams and in the background of that sort of stuff. So yeah, I definitely like it. Hopefully you guys think it's a bit more of a creative approach, or, you know, a bit of a more professional backdrop. But other than that, what I'm going to do right now is I've got to finish off editing one of these videos for the free course, apply to a few emails, and then actually I have one more call to do tonight. So it's currently midnight for me, but obviously with time zones and trading and that sort of stuff, I have one more call to make. So we'll do that, probably go to bed at around 1 AM, and then we're streaming as we always do, Monday to Friday, 8:30 AM UK time. So if you haven't come to the streams already, make sure you be there. If you do enjoy this type of content, if you like this sort of day in the lifestyle vlogs, that type of thing, then please let me know in the comments below. If you have any suggestions or anything that you want to see in these videos, make sure to let me know down below in the comments, obviously, as well. Other than that though, guys, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, and if you haven't already, drop a like so that you can boost the channel a little bit. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.
I've been looking at my life, look at everything I've done, look at everything I lost to go.